Have you considered using Microsoft OneNote for collaboration in your classroom? The OneNote app is also available online through Microsoft Office 365. You can have the online version and then the mobile app, which you can download from the App Store. It's an easy way to create and organize content in a shared space. There's tools that allow you to add documents, insert pictures, insert web links, and also to ink and draw things creatively. I love that it's accessible from anywhere. So as you're working on your app, it's also sharing to your OneNote online in the cloud. So let's take a minute and look at what OneNote looks like for collaboration. What's so nice about OneNote is you can have several different sections and pages of content. So within a section, if I go to add, I can have multiple sections. So this could be called handouts. And within these sections, we can color code them where it makes sense, and we can add multiple pages. So you can see you can really build a nice notebook and a digital resource for collaboration for students to use or for you to use instructionally with your students. Again, I'm kind of in the basic student version to give you some ideas for how you could use it. But for collaboration, you simply just invite others in. So if you'll notice at the top right, we can share our notebook. I can go up to share. And with an email link, I can invite someone in. I can open it up to anyone. So I could have a shared notebook that allows parents to see resources as well. Or I could keep it within your organization. Or the way I have it right now, I have specific people are able to see it through an email invite. And I've got it selected where they can allow them to edit. So I can apply those changes, just type someone's name in, and they'll be in press send, and they'll be able to share and collaborate in this notebook. You can also use the copy link, so you can create a link to your notebook that you could share out to someone else. Some of the nice features with a OneNote notebook, again, under Insert, you can add content such as pictures or files. You can go in and you can draw, so taking notes is a very creative process for students. They can build, concept maps and really organize their thoughts visually with the drawing aspect of it. And sharing the notebook itself is super easy, but it's also great for all different levels of learners. So I'm going to go in under Resources, and I'm going to turn on the Immersive Reader. And you're going to see with the Immersive Reader that it can read what's on the page. We have some options to adjust things to make it easier to read, so we can change the background color, we can change our text size where it's easier to see, and font choices. We have some grammar tools that help if we want to turn on where we can see our verbs as we're reading to help us with that. You can also turn on syllables, so for beginning readers, that's quite helpful to have that turned on as well. If you go over to Reading Preferences, you can change the line focus. And again, you'll notice it's highlighting the words as it's reading it aloud for you. And then the Picture Dictionary is a new feature from the Boardmaker company. They've partnered with Microsoft, so you can see that is turned on as well to help those young readers with words they may not understand. So again, clicking on notebooks, you can see that there's a little picture clue, and I can press the sound and it will read the word to me.
Notebooks.
So Immersive Reader helps with those struggling young readers or with English language learners, and that's all tucked in under Immersive Reader under View. I hope I've shared some ways that you'll consider using OneNote, the app, or OneNote online with your students for collaboration in your classroom.